Monster, put in my tab. I need monster.
Yeah.
Put in my tab. Put in my tab.
Ain't about it. Am I good on there? My head ain't chopped off. It's already recording. I mean, it could be right here. I just don't want it right here.
There.
Good. Hey, what's up, guys? Team Hardline Captain Alberto Zertuche here, and I've got another package. I wonder what it is. Oh, yeah, it's got some weight to it. So let's see what we got. I'm really, really excited on this one. So.
Gotta buy. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta learn. I'ma call the whole team.
Yeah, Gary replaced the blade on his. Yeah. Yes, sir. So I am opening a box, and I know this is from Gator Lures. They actually had some extra parts that we definitely use down here. And here's the thing. It's for rigging smaller baits. So yeah, I've got them in to where you can rig small mullet, small ballyhoo and stuff like that if you're trying to push your bait or wire through and stuff like that. So we've got an assortment of them, or should I say quite a bit of them. So if y'all are looking for a quicker way to rig your baits, be sure to give us a holler. We got a great deal going on right now. So just in time for the holidays. So I wonder how many we got. It looks like we got quite a bit of them. Yep. Got some extra swivels too. Nice. Yep. So needless to say, we're willing to work some deals on these if you're needing them. We got plenty of them, so this will be a great thing for us, because I know a lot of times we're rigging smaller baits because they're hitting a certain way and we can't get them to hit it if the bait's all tore up. So by being able to use these, we can actually set our baits a lot easier and go from there. So yeah. For y'all boat captains out there, be sure to get with us. We've got boat captain deals as well, because we know y'all guys eat through these like hotcakes and stuff like that. So yeah, there's still half a box, and I just pulled out a little bit. So just to give you an insight to it, do a little close up for you. Do a quick little count. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 24, 26, 28, 32, 34, 36, 38, 42, 44, 46, 48, 52, 54, 56, 58, 62, 64, 66, 68, 72, 74, 76, 78, 82, 4, 86, 88, 92, 94, 96, 98, 106. So if I have 106 here, it's safe to say I got about 600 of them here. And that's not including what's still in the box. So yes, guys, give us a call. We'll definitely be interested in working something to help y'all out, to get the gear y'all need. And yes, I love that, because I mean, we were actually making these for a bunch of customers out of stainless steel. So, you know, this will make it a lot easier for us to get ahead of the whole curve on it, so you can rig your baits. So stay tuned, we got more gear coming.